Good morning kahit hindi na morning. Happy Friday everyone. Ben, anong problema mo? Kahapon ka pa! Yung nagmamiyaw na pusa, hindi ko alam anong problema niya. Like, chinek ko na lahat kung may masakit, kumain ba to, uminom ba to, like everything. Ben, stop! Alam ko may iba sa inyo na uncomfortable pag ganito yung mga suotan ko. So, hanggang dito lang ang framing natin. Pero, I have to show you the back. Wait lang. Di ba ang ganda? Nabili ko lang to ng 10 piso. Nagbigay ng nabili ko lang to ng 10 piso sa Q-Mart. And if you think, pambahay ko lang to, hindi. Sinusot ko to sa labas. In all its glory. And I remember one time, nakalimutan ko magbayad ng kuryente. But kakagising ko lang. Nagsuot akong pajama kasi yung shorts yung suot ko pambaba. Tapos punta akong Meralco. Nobody gave a fuck. I did not have a bra. Which is ironic if you think about it. Kasi, like, dito sa neighborhood namin, I could go out in, like, pek-pek shorts and this top. People will not give a fucking care. Kasi nga, palagi na ako nakikitang ganito. Hi, ma. O, diba? Napaka-casual ng nanay ko. Magawa akong content. Dumaan lang siya. Naman naiinis na ako eh. Tuwing isa-stop ko yung recording, magsastop siya mag-meow! Stop! Be, please. I'm giving life lessons. Batik! Gigigil na ako, te. Parang ayokong gumawa ng content to dahil sa pusan to. And here's the thing. On social media, people will really say something about you. Pero outside, they won't have like the gall, the audacity, and the gumption to say it. You know? So, live your truth outside of the screen. Kasi ako, actually after nito, I have to go out and buy food kasi wala akong baon. Like, di pa ako nag-grocery. But of course, the moral of the lesson here is live your truth offline. Online, people will say a lot of shit. Don't give a fuck about that. So, yun lang. Have a safe and wonderful weekend ahead, my loves. Mwah!